Sad to say, this is what the fridge looks like. We're gonna do a clean out. This is before. Let's get going. Here I was trying to figure out a way how to prop the door open so I didn't have to keep opening it or it hitting me in the back or whatever. I went to get a box outside so that I could take all the contents out of the fridge and put it in to decide what I was going to keep and what I was going to discard. From beginning to end, this took me about an hour. Here I was spraying it off with some sanitation, my cleaner, so I could clean all the shelves. My boy was vacuuming the living room and all the hallways and bedrooms, so I had to show him how to turn on our rainbow. When there's icky, sticky messes, I like to use paper towels so I can just throw them away. That way it doesn't ruin my towels. I keep having to turn the light on and off so the fridge stops beeping at me for being open too long. This ginky stuff at the bottom, I had to pour some hot water that I heated up in the microwave so it would actually come loose and I could scrape it with a razor blade. Why does anyone need so many condiments in their fridge? Like, really? This is a little bit ridiculous. Anyone else have this problem? Leave comments in the thingy-majig below. I decided to designate this little middle shelf for sandwich items like mayo, mustard, Miracle Whip. Which one is your favorite? We are a family divided. Have you ever found multiple things of the same thing open in your fridge? I was combining the jalapenos. Cleaning off the icky sticky jars on the bottom. Combining these into one jar of pickles, not 3. These are fermented pickles that I made for my husband. He loves them, but I do not. I think they're yucky. They're a little too sweet for me. And this is the after. Prepared stuff on top, stuff to make in the middle, eggs, meat, cheese on the bottom, veggies and fruits on the very bottom. Way better. Thanks for joining me. Please like and subscribe. What? You're still here? Well, thanks for staying till the end. That was sweet. A couple things about me that you probably didn't know. We have 12 children together. 5 stepchildren. I had 3 before we met. Yours, mine, and our families, and then we had 4 together. All right, see you next time. Thanks. Bye.